did my makeup. Now it's time to get these kids ready for school. I'm all dressed and ready to go. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. Hey y'all, so I just finished dropping off the kids. I have my workout gear on. I'm about to go do some Pilates. Okay, I love to do Pilates by Izzy. She's so good. She has this 21-day workout challenge. So I'm going to start that today. You know, summer is June 20th. So we're going to see what this body talking about afterwards. Okay. All right, so this morning I had just one waffle and some beet juice smoothie, which is really, really good. And I got this beet juice from Walmart. All the benefits of beet juice, y'all, you can't go wrong with it, okay? I need it. I am a low iron girly, low energy, and this is amazing. So I love to use beet juice, mix it up with apple juice, and I just added this pomegranate acai smoothie, also from Walmart, that I got. And I put in my creatine in it. Whenever I'm working out, I do use OxyShred as like a pre-workout. This is the non-stim version. I can't do caffeine, y'all. I will be bouncing off the walls, and I don't like that at all. So that's what I'm going to be using as well. Listen, Izzy literally kicked my butt, y'all. Like, this is so much. Look at my Apple Watch. Like, that's crazy. Pilates is nothing to play around with, but I love Pilates because I need something that is low impact, because my knees just haven't been working the way that they're supposed to, honestly. Look at that. I'm so close to closing my rings, y'all. I'm so excited. So close. Almost close to closing my rings. That's how much steps I got today. Hope y'all can see that. The girl's been putting in that work. Look at this. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. BB allegations. Okay, period. I'm gonna get myself something to eat. I'm gonna nap and go pick up these kids. I'll check back in with y'all later. Today's just such a long day. This week has been a very, very long week, and I'm exhausted. And there's so many things going on behind the scenes. It's just like, Lord help, because I'm over it. But anyways, that's neither here nor there. This week is recital week, so, you know, there's so many things that my husband and I have to get done. Today's their dress rehearsal, and then tomorrow I have to do their hair, and then my girls are Saturday, and then baby boy is on Sunday. All day long. And another one of my 13 reasons is like, I can't find my other glasses, so I have to wear these ones, which I don't mind, but sometimes they hurt right here. Anyways, all I can ask for is grace and mercy, Lord, because mama is tired. And I have to go find husband some lunch, find myself breakfast, find myself some lunch, cook dinner before I pick up the kids, because I have to bring their outfits with me when I pick them up, get them changed into their outfits, let's go, because yeah. All right, y'all, I am so exhausted, but I finally finished cleaning up the house. Dinner is on the stove right now. It's gonna be real simple. It's spaghetti. I wanted to show y'all what I'm bringing for their rehearsal. This cute little bag I got from TJ Maxx, I believe. It's so cute. It'll fit everything in here. I am really glad that only my girls have to wear makeup and not my son, like, because that would have been too much to be bringing. Anyways. So what I got up in here is like this really simple fantasy palette that I believe I got from Amazon a long time ago. It just has all the colors. It's not super pigmented and doesn't make my girls look too grown. So I'm okay with that. Listen, I have to have this, the Sephora finishing powder. Y'all, this thing is so good. I love it. It will make all of their makeup be intact. Of course, edge control, because listen, having curly hair girls, this right here is so necessary. And they have to wear red lips, so I'm using the OG, the Juvia's Place Perfect Red, and for a little gloss I'm using NYX in Mist Call. I have my brushes in here. I have, you know, another little brush, hairbrush, and for blush I'm using Huda Beauty's Peach Sorbet and Merit Beauty's Rouge, because my girls, they have 2 different skin tones, so I want to make sure that their makeup looks right for their skin tone. So that's what I'm bringing for their makeup. You know, for their actual like recital day, like it's going to be a lot more than this, but this is just going to be, actually no, it should be less than that, because I'm gonna have their hair done tomorrow. So I'm just bringing little touch-up stuff, and they won't have school, so we won't be in a rush. Amen. So next I'm gonna grab their outfits. Okay, so I have all of their outfits. Y'all, it's so much. Okay, so my son, he's dancing to Peppa Pig, so he has this really cute like farmer's piggy outfit. It's adorable. My girls, they are both in jazz and cheer. So I have their outfits here in this bag with the matching stockings and hair pieces and socks and all the things in here. So I gotta bring that. I'm about to go pack them some snacks, which is gonna be super simple. It's gonna be apple juice and veggie straws because, listen, we're gonna be there all evening pretty much. So I have to make sure that I have snacks for them, and I'm gonna come back and eat dinner, but it's gonna be past our dinner time. So I'm just making sure that I'm cooking everything now. I'm trying to be done by 12:30. It's noon, so wish me luck.